If you have a Fire TV stick, do not start every night by opening paid apps. Fire TV has a free lane, and it is useful once you know where Amazon hides it. Start with Fire TV channels. Look for the free row on the home screen, or say, "Alexa, open Fire TV channels." That gives you a live-style guide without hunting through every app. Free does not mean you need Amazon Prime. You need an Amazon account to use the device. But the free ad-supported channels do not require a paid Prime membership. The keyword is fast, free, ad-supported streaming TV. It behaves like channel surfing. You give up some control and watch ads, but you avoid another monthly subscription. After the built-in free hub, install the big three: Pluto TV for live channel surfing, Tubi for on-demand movies and shows, and Plex if you want free channels plus your own media server. Amazon's own free catalog now lives inside Prime Video under Watch for Free. Do not look for the old Freevee app first. Open Prime Video and find the free section. The Roku Channel is also worth installing on Fire TV. The name sounds hardware-specific, but the app works on Fire TV and adds another free movie and show library. Installing free apps is simple. Go to Find, Search, type the app name, choose the Real App page, and press Get. Voice search is faster when you are installing several apps at once. Most free apps let you watch immediately. Creating a free account is optional, and it is mainly useful for watch lists, continue watching, and syncing history across devices. For sports, set expectations correctly. Free sports channels are good for highlights, analysis, shoulder programming, and some live events. Full premium league coverage usually still needs paid rights. Pluto TV and Fire TV channels both include sports rows, and CBS Sports HQ is useful for live news and analysis. Treat this as background sports, not a full cable replacement. Picture quality is usually good enough for casual viewing. Many free streams land around HD quality, but the real difference is your connection. A stable network beats a crowded Wi-Fi bar. To make free channels feel better, restart the Fire TV, stick weekly, use 5 GHz Wi-Fi when signal is strong, and use Ethernet if your setup allows it. Also, turn off home screen autoplay previews. Open Preferences, then Featured Content, and disable both video and audio autoplay. Navigation feels calmer and lighter afterward. There are trade-offs. Free app lineups vary by region. Ads cannot be removed from fast streams, and brand new movies or premium sports will still sit behind paid services. The best setup is a visible free row. Fire TV channels, Pluto TV, Tubi, Plex, and the Roku Channel. Keep those near the front so paid apps are not the only habit. Bottom line, free Fire TV channels will not replace everything, but they can replace a lot of casual channel surfing, background TV, reruns, movies, and news. Scan the QR or open SmartTVS.org for the full Fire TV free channels guide, including the app list, setup steps, sports options, and buffering tips.